हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। माई सेल्फ हितेश पागनानी। और आज मैं अपनी वीडियो में आपको सॉफ्ट कंप्यूटिंग के इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस जो है वो आपको प्रोवाइड कराने वाला हूं। इससे पहले मैंने बिग डेटा एनालिटिक्स के भी जो पार्ट 1, पार्ट 2 एंड पार्ट 3 तीन सीरीज में मैंने इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस एमसीक्यूज हैं जो अपलोड कर दिए हैं। आप प्लीज इसे देख लीजिए। बिग डेटा एनालिटिक्स के एक और सेट है जो कि मैं वो कल अपलोड करूंगा, लेकिन आज मैं आपको सॉफ्ट कंप्यूटिंग के एमसीक्यूज क्वेश्चन अपलोड करने जा रहा हूँ। तो प्लीज मेरे चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और शेयर करें जितना आप कर सकते हो, क्योंकि मुझे बहुत सारे सब्सक्राइबर्स की नीड है। सॉफ्ट कंप्यूटिंग जो कि कंप्यूटर साइंस इंजीनियरिंग का एक सब्जेक्ट है जिसका एग्जाम 24 सितंबर को होने वाला है। तो उसके एमसीक्यूज में फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एसोसिएटेड विद फजी लॉजिक। So there are four options: crisp set logic, option number B many valued logic, option number C two valued logic, and option number D binary set logic. So the answer is option number B many valued logic. और इसकी explanation है, since fuzzy logic can define the set membership with some specific value, it may have multiple set value. That's why option number B is correct, multi-value logic. Question number 2, the truth values of traditional set theory can be defined as blank space and that of fuzzy logic is termed as blank space. So there are four options. Option number है either 0 or 1. Option number B between 0 and 1 or either 0 or 1. Option number C either 0 or 1 between 0 and 1. Option number D between 0 and 1 or between 0 and 1. So the answer is option number C is correct, either 0 or 1 or between 0 and 1. आप इनका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए अपने फ्यूचर रेफरेंस के लिए क्वेश्चंस का। और इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन अगर आप देखना चाहते हैं तो इसकी एक्सप्लेनेशन भी है। ए क्रिस्प सेट इज यूजुअली डिफाइंड बाय क्रिस्प बाउंड्रीज कंटेनिंग द प्रिसीजन लोकेशन ऑफ द सेट बाउंड्रीज। हाउएवर ए फजी सेट इज डिफाइंड बाय द indeterminate boundaries containing uncertainty about the set's boundary. Question number 3, a fuzzy logic is an extension to the crisp set which handles the partial truth. Option 2 ही है true and false, so answer is true. Question number 4, how many types of random variables are there in fuzzy logic? 2, 4, 1, 3. So the answer is option number D, 3. There are 3 types of random variables: Boolean, discrete and continuous variable. Which of the following represent the value of set membership? Degree of truth, probabilities, discrete set, and option number D, both A and B. So the answer is option number B, degree of truth. Both probabilities and degree of truth range between 0 and 1. Question number 6, the probability density function is represented by continuous variable, discrete variable, probability distribution for continuous variable or probability distribution. So the answer is option number C, probability distribution for continuous variable. Question number 7, blank space is used for probability theory sentences. Option number A, logic. Option number B, extension of propositional logic. Option number C, conditional logic. Option number D, none of the above. So the answer is extension of propositional logic, because the version of probability theory makes use of an extension of propositional logic for its sentences. Question number 8, which of the following fuzzy operators are utilized in fuzzy set theory? And, or, not, or XOR. So the answer is option number A, B and C. And, or, not. In fuzzy logic, the and, or, and not operators represent the minimum, maximum and complement. What is the name of the operator in fuzzy set theory which is found to be linguistic in nature? Option number A, lingual variable. Option number B, first variable. Option number C, has is, and D, none of the above. So the answer is has is. Question number 10, where can we use the base rule? Option A, to increase the complexity. Option B, to decrease the complexity. Option C, to solve queries. Option D, to answer the probabilistic query. So the answer is to answer the probabilistic query. Based on the given evidence, the Bayes rules can be utilized to answer the probabilistic queries. Which of the following is offered by the Bayesian network? Partial description of domain, a complete description of domain, a complete description of the problem, or none of the above. So the answer is option number B, complete description of the domain. A Bayesian network refers to a probabilistic graphical model which asymptotizes a set of variables and its corresponding dependencies through a directed acyclic graph. Question number 12. Blank space represent the fuzzy logic. Option A, if then rules. Option B, if then else rules. Option C, both A and B, and option D, none of the above. So the answer is if and then rules represent the fuzzy logic. Because in fuzzy set theory, the fuzzy operators are defined on the fuzzy sets. When the fuzzy operators are anonymous, and fuzzy logic utilizes the if then rules. In general, rules are expressed as if variable is property then action. If variable is property then action. अगर आप मेरी सिर्फ इस वीडियो को ही देख लेंगे 1 से 2 बार तो आपको ज्यादा प्रिपरेशन करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. अनसर्टेनिटी कैन बी रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय blank space, entropy, fuzzy logic, probability, and all of the above. So the answer is all of the above. Entropy is the amount of uncertainty involved in data which is represented by H, which is data. Question number 14. Name the algorithms that acquire from complex environments to generalize, approximate, and simplify solution logic. Option A, algorithms. Option B, fuzzy set. Option C, fuzzy relational DB, and option D, none of the above. So the answer is B, fuzzy set. Rather than being associated with exponential growth, local structures are generally linked with linear growth in terms of complexity. Question number 15. Which of the following condition can directly influence a variable by all the others? Fully connected. Option B, local connected. Option C, partially connected, and option D, none of the above. So the answer is option number A, fully connected. Question number 16. A perceptron can be defined as a double-layer auto-associative neural network, a neural network with feedback, an auto-associative neural network, a single-layer feed-forward neural network with pre-processing. So the answer is option D, a single-layer feed-forward neural network with pre-processing. A perceptron is a single-layer neural network that consists of input values, weights, bias, net sum, followed by an activation function. Question number 17. What is meant by an auto-associative neural network? Option A, a neural network containing feedback, a neural network containing no loops, a neural network having a single loop. Option D, a single-layer feed-forward neural network containing feedback. So the answer is option number A, neural network containing feedback. Question number 18. Which of the following is correct? In contrast to conventional computers, neural networks have much higher computational rates. Neural network learn by example. Option C, neural network mimic the same way as that of the human brain. So there are 4 options, all of the above. Option B, 1 and 2 are true. Option C, all are true, and none of the above. So the answer is all of the above. Because neural network can run multiple operators in parallel, which is why they have higher computational rates than conventional computers. Neural nets mimic the working of the human brain. The idea behind neural net is not to be programmed but to learn by examples. Question number 19. Which of the following is correct for neural network? The option A, the training time is dependent on the size of the network. Neural networks can be simulated on the conventional computer. Option C, artificial neurons are identical in operation to be biological one. Option A, all of the above. Second is true, 1 and 2 is true, none of the above. So the answer is option number C, 1 and 2 are true, because explanation is the training time depends on the network size. The more the number of neurons, the more would be the possible states. Neural networks can be simulated on a conventional computer, but neural networks' main advantage is parallel execution is lost. Artificial neurons are not identical in operations to biological ones. So question number 20. What are the advantage of neural network over conventional computers? Option A, neural network learn from example. Option B, they are more fault tolerant. Option C, they are well suited for real-time operation due to their high computational rates. So the answer is option number A, 1 and 2 are correct. Neural networks learn from example and they are more fault tolerant. All of the above are correct. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel and also share. मुझे बहुत सारे सब्सक्राइबर्स की नीड है, तो प्लीज शेयर कीजिए अपने फ्रेंड्स को. और बैचमेट्स को। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।